What's up, YouTube? Your boy sick, but who gives a fuck? It's supposed to be leg day today. Who knows if I'm gonna actually be able to get a decent workout? Who fucking cares? I'm about to go to the gym and try anyway. I probably slept for about an hour in total because I got up every 30 minutes. It's 12 p.m. and I have been running up and down. I get shit done, but still haven't done any homework today. Congratulations. I just feel unmotivated. So I was talking to myself in the mirror and I was like, why not talk to y'all? Because nobody gives a fuck. Just get up and do it. Because the only person you have is yourself. Hey, life sucks. Get over it. Literally haven't been able to breathe all fucking day. And all I wanna do is breathe, bro. All I wanna do is fucking breathe. But I think the hot water's helping. Took a bunch of pills, still don't feel better. So who fucking knows? I'm gonna take my ass to a real gym, hit some legs. Definitely wanna hit some cardio. I might try something different, who fucking knows? But yeah, I'm gonna hit my legs. I might hop in a sauna if they got a sauna, but yeah. Hopefully I don't bitch out and die. See you soon. Just go to the gym, bro. I don't wanna go either, just go. Life is life right now. It's okay though. Damn, why that shit so hard? Not me doing fucking abs and shit. Can you drop this shit? Fuck it, we'll just see. See if it works. Don't laugh at me. Oh boy. What the fuck? Hell nah. I'm gonna talk to y'all after I do this little set. Oh yeah. This shit. Jesus fuck. I definitely wanna get in my abs, in my legs for the day. Let's see. I wanna do that, but she's on there just sitting there, so I'll just wait. Hold on. See, I already had that shit, nigga. We feel like I definitely should take the game and shit a lot more seriously. Oh wow. Damn, no magnets? Weird ass shit. Alright, so today, so far, we have done, I don't think I recorded myself in the cycle room, but starting off with the cycle room, and then did a little bit of abs. Now, I'm gonna get the workout started. If you can't tell, it's leg day. I haven't done this suspension machine in so long, so why not start here? Wait, is it this? This is the inside one, right? Yeah. Not tripping? No. I'm just weak as hell. I remember when I used to be able to do the whole fucking stack. Oh yeah. Gotta warm up into it. Ooh, I'm finna rip something. Okay. One of those days. It's okay. Slow and steady wins the race. Should probably go heavier. Pull these up. Okay. I warmed up my legs doing cycling for about 20 minutes. Did about 3 sets of abs, and then now I'm doing this. It's been a while since we've done leg day, so I'm gonna take it light today. Still burn out, but not heavyweight. Ooh, my knees are kneeing. I don't know how many reps that was, but that was probably too many, even for a burnout set. But that's the point. I guess kill yourself. Yeah, I feel this for a while, but I am glad I chose to come to the gym and not mope in my sickness at the crib. So that's a plus, because I definitely did not want to get up. Well, I definitely had to get up because I had calls to make and math to do, but I'm glad I actually got up to leave the house. So, I mean, it feels, I don't know, the pain of working out is just different. It just feels like good, bad. It's like a rewarding pain. Get back into it. I don't think that's a long enough break, but fuck it. Oh no. Officially a scripper. Oh Lord. I feel like one thing I don't like is how long it takes your legs to grow. To apply the same amount of pressure in my fucking bicep would tear. But I guess it's just a bigger muscle group, so stop bitching and get to work. Fuck. I'm gonna go up one. I definitely should do calves after this too. Who banned TikTok? I really want, I don't know, I can't find something else to do. I still can't find a next machine to do. Just stretch right now. What the fuck? This shit hurt. Oh. Yeah, man. I think I'm gonna just stretch for a little bit and then go to the next workout. Fuck. Alright. One thing I will say about TrueFit, they machines is a little, it's not even a little, it's a lot updated. It's just, their facility is shit. What am I working on? It's 80 pounds of shit. Like, the machine quality is good. Like, it counts the reps for you, I think, or at least it looks like it. This is a lot. Yeah, it does count the reps for you. And there's a timer on it. Oh, wow, that's bougie. But the facility just looks so boo-boo. Like, I can see that. Equipment is great. The actual place, horrendous. I think I'll bring it up a little bit. Come on, man. Feels better. But yeah, I like their machines. I just say, I mean, who cares how the fucking warehouse looks? We're just here to get a workout in anyway. God. Five. What? All right. So I'm gonna say the workout is going pretty good. I just hate leg day, but I love the feeling after leg day. But then I hate the feeling after leg. You know what I mean? Oh my god. Fuck. I think I'm gonna go do the leg press. All right. So I hope that's some fucking white juice. All right. Now we got extensions. Y'all know I suck at these. Well, I don't suck at them. I'm just really crippled. So hopefully I'm able to do something. I'm gonna just lightweight, like 10, 15 pounds on this thing. Oh, 40 pounds? That should feel lighter. But yeah, just to warm up the knees, cause your boy crippled as fuck. And then I'm gonna do probably like ran out sets and then kick rocks. But it has to be like ran out stuff. I really do want to hit calf raises, but this guy's gonna leave in 30 minutes. So I'm gonna just probably go do bikes instead of cardio. I'm gonna ask if they have a sauna. If not, I'll replace it with that. Alright, so bro finally got up from here, so I'm gonna do my 3 sets here and then go back to extensions and then leave. I'm trying to slow down, but my calves are small as fuck. All right. Well, fuck. Oh, you fixed it. Damn. Fuck. Look. Yeah, this I'm high. I'm not using that. Use that one. Are these clean yet?
No.
Oh, okay.
Just started.
All right, y'all. So I think that's it for today. We did enough cardio to kill a horse. So we got our cardio done. We did a little bit of sit-ups, and then we just ended it with legs. Getting of this workout, definitely did not want to come here. At the end of it, I would say I'm at a solid 7 out of 10 in motivation. When I started this, I was at a -7. So I'd say moral of the story is just get up and get it done. Even if you don't want to, just put in the effort and you might start enjoying it a little bit more. But without further ado, I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Stay positive, stay motivated. C'est la vie.